Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much
Hands. How are you?
I'm great. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. I know, it's disgusting, but also delicious. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have a new unboxing, y'all. Don't mind this, I kind of like ripped it open like an animal. This is from Nomakenolife. And I know you're probably saying, well, what is this? Well, Julie, let me tell you all about it.
Nomakenolife is a monthly subscription box full of 8 to 9 Japanese and Korean beauty items that include skincare, makeup, beauty tools, etc. Delivered straight from Japan to your door. Nomakenolife boxes come with a different and fun theme every month, keeping things exciting and trending.
First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much to Nomakenolife for sending this box my way. But please know, even though this box is sent to me via PR, I'm going to give you my unfiltered review. Why? Because that's just me. So this is a monthly subscription box. This box is worth $35. However, there are a bunch of prepaid plans and I will make sure to list everything in the description box below. So this is the May box and I would flip it around, but it has my address and stuff on the other side. So I don't want to dox myself. So I'm just gonna open it like this. Oh. So here are the contents of the box. You also get a nice little pamphlet here. This is the May 2021 box, and this is the Tokyo Glow box. And I imagine that this is going to be my pamphlet of bloopity blop blop. Yes, that's true. Okay. Oh, wonderful. Good. It gives me a description of everything because I do not speak Japanese or Korean, so I'm happy that I have a description of each product because I would hate to have to guess what it is. All right, without further ado, let's talk about what this stuff is. So the first thing is Melilish Denkyu Lip Tint. Oh my God. It looks like a little light bulb. Come on, how adorable is that? This lip tint is shaped like an adorable tiny light bulb. Oh my God, look how fucking cute that is. It has nourishing ingredients like argan oil and castor oil. Not only does it feel light on the lips, the color is long lasting and it has a lovely apple scent. My nose is broken. It doesn't smell like anything. Alex, can you smell this? Thank you. Tell me what this smells like.
I don't know, I always think it's like bad and wanted to make me smell. Why is it a light bulb?
Because it is a light bulb. Open the light bulb.
I was gonna say, it just smells like nothing.
What does it smell like to you?
Not much of anything.
Oh, okay.
Honestly.
It's supposed to smell like apple.
Oh, it's so faint.
Okay.
Like, and I have to like insert it into my nose. It's so faint.
Okay, but it's not offensive though.
No.
Oh,
There's no like
wonderful.
chemicaliness. No, you know some things smell like chemicals.
I know.
You're like, it'll be like, oh, pear and, you know, chemicals. Nail polish remover.
Oh,
No,
I
it's
love
just,
it.
it's some
This,
super mega faint.
it feels nice.
Does it?
I like it. Mm-hmm.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you, helper. I love you. So I just applied this to my lips because I was really curious. Plus, I really love the idea that I'm putting a light bulb to my face. That being said, it's literally no color. This is actually more color than what I have on my lips, which I'm okay with. This just feels really, really nice and nourishing. I'm not mad at it. Plus, it looks like a fucking light bulb. How adorable is that? Why can't we have more products that look like light bulbs, okay? Thomas Edison would be proud. I love this. This is adorable. We love her. So the next thing is the Actress Veil Powder, and this is a highlighter, face powder, and blush. What? Excuse me? Hold on. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Oh, look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Bitch, I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay, we love this. We love this. So this is a 3-in-1. The right side is a marble design made of finely crushed pearl for an iridescent glow, while the left side is a soft blush. So this is in the color Pink 03. So let's do a little swatch. The marble side. It's very, very, very light. It's a little disappointing. I was kind of hoping that it would be like a little bit more of a shine. It's very, very subtle. And then the blush side. Okay, I mean, she's a little light. She's a little light. So let's see if we can just kind of combine both. All right, I'm not really getting much of anything. She definitely is really cute. Performance-wise, Okay. I kind of had higher hopes for this, but doesn't necessarily mean that it's a complete dud. I'm going to put this on my face and I'll let you know how it works out. Now, the next product is from The Same, which I recently tried in my Yes Style video, and if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up in the corner there, where I did try a bunch of Korean and Japanese makeup. And I remember, I believe I got something from The Same. It was either a blush or concealer, and I really did enjoy it. This is an under eye highlighter and eyeliner. A popular trend in Korea and Japan is highlighting right under the eye waterline to brighten and create what are called eye smiles. Oh, that's fucking adorable. How cute. You know what's really funny? The next line after that sentence is, how cute does that sound? How cute is that? That's fucking adorable. But whatever, I digress. This double-ended tool has a shimmery color for highlighting and a darker color for adding further dimension. So there are 3 different colors in this. It's a pink, white, or ivory. So maybe this is actually ivory? I don't know. Huh. Interesting. We're gonna have to try to give that a whirl. The next thing is from Salon Lady, and this is a clay hair mask. Get the hair salon experience at home. This clay mask nourishes dry and damaged hair with a combination of 9 botanical ingredients. It has a lovely floral scent. I don't know if I would really utilize it. I'm not a hair mask person. I think I might actually pass this on to my friend because they like hair stuff more than I do. But this looks pretty adorable. I have to say, regardless if something works or not, I really don't care at this point. Because everything is really, really cute and I just love it purely based on that. The next items are actually 2 masks, and this is from Dr. Glowderm Night Eye Mask. This hydrogel mask brightens and reduces dark circles. It infuses moisture into the delicate skin around your eyes without leaving any sticky residue. Plus it contains glitter for a sparkly look. I don't know. I don't like the idea of glitter near my eye. I don't feel particularly well about it. Because it's kind of like a weird thing to have so close to your eye. And based on the glitter aspect of it, I don't think I would put this on my face, so The next thing is the sheer scrunchie, which is pretty adorable. Add some sheer spring vibes to your hairstyle with this fun scrunchie. Use it to keep your hair out of the way during your skincare and makeup routine. Or as a cute accessory, it's up to you. I love how optimistic the copy is in this pamphlet. This is adorable. This is, you know, not really my style. This is very like, I almost feel like really dainty. Kind of reminds me of a garter belt in a weird way. And I'm kind of like, do I put this on my hair or do I put this on my thigh? And who are we kidding? We cannot get this around my thigh. The next product is Make You Sheet Mask. The nourishing sheet mask comes in 1 of 3 deliciously scented flavors: pink, purple, or blue. I'm assuming I got the blue because this is blue and it will smell like milk. Okay, all right. I'm also finicky when it comes to face masks. I feel like the only ones that I have really enjoyed was the Too Cool for School, but I love the idea of putting milk on my face. It's kind of like a weird Elizabeth Bathory, except it's, you know, milk instead of blood. Whatever, I'll take it. And last but certainly not least, we have Sanrio makeup removal wipes, because when I think of Sanrio, I think of makeup removal wipes. Bring Sanrio friends along for your end of day skincare routine. These makeup removal packs have 30 sheets. Maybe we have like the twin stars. Yep, we have little twin stars. Each sheet contains hyaluronic acid and collagen to keep your skin healthy and hydrated. You know, I shy away from makeup removal wipes because I usually have some sort of weird adverse reaction to it. I used to use the Neutrogena ones for a very long time until I realized it was killing my skin. I really don't utilize them too much, but I don't think I've ever used a makeup wipe that has hyaluronic acid and collagen. So I'm curious to see if it has any added benefits with those 2 things. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. That's all we got, kids. So with that said, these are all the contents in the box. If I'm gonna be completely honest here, I think it's okay. I think there are some things that are really adorable, some things that I'm like, all right, I don't really think I'm gonna have much use out of. So I think for my first impressions of the first time ever getting this box, it's like, it's so-so. Nothing really super wowed me except for this tiny little light bulb. This was really cute. I had higher hopes for this product, but it just felt like I wasn't really getting much of anything out of it, which is a shame because it's really, really pretty. The under eye maker is really interesting, and it's kind of it, because face mask is like, all right, you know, nothing too exciting about a face mask. The hair mask, something I'm not really into. The scrunchie is not really for me, and you know, not super excited about makeup wipes. With that said, I'm hoping next month's box will blow me away. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you've ever tried this subscription box, and if you have enjoyed it, if you haven't enjoyed it, what are some of your favorite Asian beauty products that you would like for me to check out? I would love to hear from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do it without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. I can't wait to like just gobble you all up and just love up on you incessantly. If you want to know what is on my hands, ooh, and where to get my merch, my bloopity blop blop, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. You like that? I know you do. Bye.